Welcome to Health Soundness. Today, through this video, I will give you 10 effective home remedies for cough that you need to try today. There are plenty of home remedies for cough that can help you feel better fast. From honey to ginger to lemon, there are a number of ingredients that can help to soothe your throat and ease your cough. Number 1. Honey. Honey is a natural cough suppressant that can help to quiet a cough. Number 2. Peppermint. Peppermint has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help to soothe a cough. Number 3. Lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and can help to boost the immune system. Number 4. Ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help to ease a cough. Number 5. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural expectorant that can help to loosen phlegm and ease a cough. Number 6. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root contains mucilage that can help to coat and soothe the throat. Number 7. Salth water. Gargling with warm salt water can help to ease soreness in the throat and reduce coughing. Number 8. Turmeric. Turmeric contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help to reduce a cough. Number 9. Yogurt. Yogurt contains probiotics that can help to boost the immune system and reduce coughing. Number 10. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants that can help to reduce irritation in the throat and ease a cough. Thanks for watching. Please like video, comment, share and subscribe.